Here we have a Mazda CX5 fitted with the Fadiel Mini Wheel. The system runs with full redundancy, so in the event that we have any malfunction or power failure from the vehicle, we're still guaranteed the system is still going to operate. We also have a warning monitor, tells us obviously our steering angle, the speed of the vehicle, and keeps a record for servicing requirements. The Mini Wheel can be mounted in any location. This system is mounted on the door, but we can also mount it on the left side. We can even mount this down in the footwell, which we've done on previous occasions. One of the great features of the Fadiel steering systems, in this case the Mini Wheel, is that we can adjust the speed parameters. So as the vehicle speeds up, we will reduce the sensitivity. So in a parking manoeuvre, obviously I've got plenty of responsiveness, but then as the vehicle speeds up, that is reduced. So when I'm overtaking at 80 or 100 kilometers an hour, that just gives me a nice fluid lane change. With the adjustable brackets provided by Fadiel, we can easily move the system forward, backwards, down, up. Another Fadiel system that's been installed into this Mazda CX5 is voice command for auxiliary controls. So that includes indicators, lights, wipers, driver's side window, cruise control set and cruise control resume. As an example, turn right, turn left, beep horn, driver's window down. So with the voice command in this vehicle, we've also got headrest indicators incorporated. So that's left indicator, that's right indicator, and then I can override that by saying turn right. So they both work in sync, the voice command and the headrest indicators.